What's up, everybody? This is Tactic from Dead Ops Airsoft. Right here is the $10 mystery box from Airsoft GI. It was like $10. I wanted to get 2 of them, try them out, see what I get. So let's go. Papers. Airsoft 101. Tells everything about the gun. Airsoft 102, whatever that is. More stuff about a gun. BBs, just talks about BBs, which I think we all know about. And it looks like I got a vest. Try it. See what vest I got. This is... oh no. Well, I got a vest. Sick. For $10 for a vest. Nothing beats that.